1988, Tandy acquired Grid Systems Corporation, a company well known for its heavy-duty portable computers. Today, under Tandy ownership, Grid is leading the way in pen-based computing.
Nurses spend much of their workday on their feet, and they often have to fill out forms each day, forms that later have to be re-entered into a computer by someone else. Here at Kaiser Permanente Hospital in Santa Clara, California, research nurse Robin Waddell visits patients who want to quit smoking while they're in the hospital. And instead of an old-fashioned clipboard with paper forms, she now uses a GRiDPad pen-based computer and carries it with her from room to room to record patient information. Waddell can use the GRiDPad pen to write down patient names and other relevant data. Her handwritten letters instantly turn into typed letters on the computer screen. She also has a questionnaire programmed into the GRiDPad so that she only has to select the right option from a series of multiple choice questions, reducing the need for lengthy handwritten input. A nurse could obviously do the same with a normal keyboard-based laptop, but it wouldn't be as convenient.
I would say the greatest benefit of using the GRiDPad is that it's very compact, it's relatively light, and it's easy to use. I mean, we can use it out of the office or in the office. I can make phone calls at home if I needed to, or enter data at home. So it's very mobile.
Waddell combines the benefits of mobility with the power of a desktop by downloading the information she puts into the GRiDPad once her rounds are finished. She then uses the desktop computer to analyze the data. While the pen-based portable computer is a good compromise between the old-fashioned clipboards and high-tech laptops, the pen-based interface is still not perfect.
I would say the only drawback at this point is the character recognition. When I write into the computer, sometimes it doesn't always recognize it, so it's real important to write big capital letters, and then it does a lot better. And the only other drawback besides that would be that there's no standardized software programs that you can apply to the Grid at this point. We had a computer programmer spend a lot of time.
Grid does have a way around the character recognition problem. Users do have the option of pulling up a keyboard on the screen and then essentially typing in the words by selecting the letters with the pen. Nurse Waddell says she saved a lot of time by carrying the GRiDPad with her. She doesn't have to handwrite notes when she's with a patient or on the telephone and then type them up later. And knowing what a doctor's handwriting looks like, no secretary ever has to struggle to interpret written notes.